there, face here. It's cold. It's so cold, I can see my own breath. It's so cold that I think I'm freezing into a block of ice. Coming up next, it's Blue's Clues, right here on Nick Jr.